In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a CC mail in Gmail, a simple yet powerful skill that can enhance your email communications. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail's website. Enter your email address and password and click the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox, which serves as the central hub for all your email activities. Next, look towards the upper left corner of your Gmail interface. There, you'll find a prominent button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click it. This action will open a new email window on your screen, and you'll see various fields awaiting your input. Let's start by entering the email address of your primary recipient. This will go into the To field. Simply click into the blank space and type the recipient's email address. Remember, this is the person or group that the email is directly addressing. Following this, your next task is to access the CC field. To do that, look for the CC button, usually situated to the right of the To field when the new message window is open. Clicking this button will expand a new section beneath the primary email address field, allowing you to add additional email addresses of those who should receive a carbon copy of the email. Now it's time to type in the email addresses of your CC recipients. In the CC field, enter each additional recipient's email address. This way, these individuals will receive a copy of the email, and importantly, all CC'd recipients will be aware of one another. Use this feature when you want to keep certain people in the loop, but not necessarily request a direct response. Once you've got your recipients sorted, you'll need to compose your message. Start by writing the subject of your email in the designated subject field. Ensure that it is concise yet descriptive enough to give your readers an idea of the email's content. Then move on to crafting the body of your email. Use clear, polite language and make sure to include all necessary information or attachments pertaining to your message. Finally, after reviewing all the details to make sure they're accurate and complete, it's time to send your email. Direct your attention to the bottom of the Compose window, where you'll find the Send button. With one click, your email, along with the CCs, will be dispatched to all intended recipients. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to send a CC mail in Gmail. With this knowledge, you can better manage who gets included in your email conversations, keeping everyone appropriately informed. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. See you in the next video.